Good afternoon. This is Rajesh from IT department. Trees are set of rules. So today we are going to take about trees and set of rules used in data and visual analytics. So this presentation explores the decision trees as powerful set of conditional rules, fundamentals, and to decision analytics and machine learning. So what is decision tree? A decision tree is nothing but nodes present in test-specific attributes, outcomes of the attribute test, and give final decision for clarifications. So the clarity given and clearly in visual complex decision logics. So decision tree is a set of rules. So it consists of unique path from root node to leaf node with the decision tree directly translates into distinct if and then rule. Each rule is conjunction attributes test encountered along the path. Example, if temperature is equal to hot and humidity equal to high, then the action should be turn on AC. So simply they are given the flowchart of the decision tree used for this scenario. So when we start, if you say yes, the condition is, then if say no, then the condition is negative. So this is how our decision tree moves on. It consists of many branches and many nodes in it. So the decision tree makes whether to move to which node to which node. So this is how decision tree works. So rule extraction and simplification. Generate tools. Trace every route to leaf path to extract initial rules. So first it analyzes the levels of the tree structure. After that it simplifies the conditions and then identify which path to be taken to move towards that source to destination. And then verify the independence, that is apply tests like chi-square to ensure rule conditions are truly distinct, and weightage of each path and nodes are calculated in it. After that we go for improve usability. Specified rules enhances interpretability and computational efficiency. Regularization in decision trees. Minimum sample for per leaf and maximum depth and maximum leaf nodes are taken into considerations. So regularizing techniques are crucial for preventing overfitting, ensuring decision trees generalization will be well to the new data. Types of splits and rules complexities. So that is generally given as unvariety splits and multivariety splits. So these kinds of splits expose each leading to binary and matching based on the attribute value, and combining multiple attributes into single test, showing for more complex and nuanced decision boundaries. So L system trees are recursive on these things. So system demonstrates how simple the recursive rules can generate complex fractal-like structures, mirroring the hierarchical nature of the decision trees. So in this there are many such cases, and if we use recursion function for multiple times and the algorithm gives a worst case scenario. Applications of trees as rule sets. The business rules, machine learning, and decision support. So the business rules are nothing but automating the decision and credit approval, insurance, underwriting, and tax calculations. These are the main thing is done in business rules. In machine learning, they widely use classifications like regression tasks and price predictions. While using these trees inside, we can easily identify the decision rules and other things. So we can also use to decide what in Gmail they use decision trees to find out the spam and important and other categories, social medias and everything. They categorize and they push the mails accordingly to the labels, the social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. These things goes into social medias, and it automatically also moves the user real-time human sent mail to important areas, and spam is automatically sent to spam department. So decision support, adding strategic choices in operations, research, healthcare, diagnostics and financial planning. So these kind of supports is very good for these days, for business purpose and also for education also. Advantage of using trees as rule sets. So it consists of cumulative visualization, provides a clear graphical representation of complex decision logics, easy translations, and stakeholders communication gives simply but validation of faster understanding and across device terms. Automated discovery supports the identification and automation of new effective rules. Thank you.